All babies are naturally inquisitive, and from the moment they learn to move, they're always eager to experiment and explore. This enthusiasm to investigate and their eagerness to stray from safety often puts them at risk. All animals have natural boundaries, and whether these restrictions are enforced by nature, a parent, or a family member, they all illustrate the baby's wild bonds. A female leopard lies hidden in a dense thicket. Her two cubs, now 6 weeks old, have yet to venture out from the safety of the thick scrub that makes up their den. Here, danger is never far away. It's important that Mum keeps watch and the kittens stay quiet.